Hello and welcome to July's market update. Tony Marlette Jr. at Brookside Tax and Financial Group. We are halfway through 2024, believe it or not. We'll talk about some themes that we had coming into the year. But before we do that, let's look at what markets did in the month of June. So the S&P 500 was up 3.5%. Dow Jones up a little bit over 1%. The NASDAQ was up 6% for the month, and the Russell was down a little bit less than 1%. So coming into 2024, the biggest long-term theme that markets faced was artificial intelligence, or AI. The top 6 stocks that tend to be the biggest beneficiaries of AI are making up about 30% of the market capitalization of the S&P 500. Also, coming into the year, we had concerns about interest rates and inflation. Those really haven't gone anywhere. Inflation is still elevated and has been stubborn, still sticking around. And interest rates have been steady. We have not had any rate cuts as were expected. We might get one before the end of the year still, but as we get closer to the election and the end of the year, that seems like less and less of a possibility. The economy's been very resilient. It is showing signs of slowing, as we've talked about in past updates, including earnings slowing down. However, earnings will still be positive for 2024, and there's a general overall positive outlook at this point for earnings in 2025 as well. For those of you concerned with volatility, it may be a good time to start taking profits as opposed to chasing further gains. Of course, it can be tempting to allocate a disproportionate amount of your portfolio towards something like AI, but diversification reduces your overall risk. And the proper mix of safety and growth should fit the goals, strategy, and time frame of each investor. Creating a plan to incorporate all of this into your plan remains the best way to achieve your financial goals. If you'd like to review any of that with us, feel free to do so. You can schedule an appointment online, call our office, or come in. Also, check us out on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel as well. We've added some videos to the YouTube channel, including shorts, and we plan on keeping those updated. From all of us at Brookside, we thank you for working with us, and we continue to look forward to working with you.